Your Honor, clearly these legal pads should be illegal pads.
It's like the worst style combined with the best way to waste paper.
I object to single-use notepads! Sustained!
More like sustainability.
We're from Rocketbook, and we make notebooks from the future.
At Rocketbook, we've been making reusable notebooks for years. We've shipped millions to professionals and students around the world while saving countless trees. We're pretty happy with a best-selling notebook. But we came all the way from the future and space to rescue all natural writing surfaces. And there is just something about the simplicity of notepads that we love. So, we spent 9 months in our lab creating a brand new product that preserved the simplicity of a notepad but was endlessly reusable and endlessly awesome. This is the Rocketbook Orbit, and it flips the page to the digital age. The Orbit uses Rocketbook technology, which allows you to write, scan, erase, and reuse your notes like other Rocketbook notebooks. But with the Orbit, you can also flip, flop, and swap your pages out whenever you want. Here's how it works. Write on the pages using any pen from the Pilot Friction line. Friction ink firmly bonds to the pages in seconds, but with a little water, wipes away like magic. So you can use the pages over and over and over. Orbit page packs snap into the binding using magnetic force, so you can flip to the next page and keep things tidy. Or reverse the page pack over to switch from lines to dot grid. You can even swap in a whole new page pack so you always have the right pages for the right job. With multiple page packs and patterns to choose from, it's like magic making for your note-taking. The Rocketbook Orbit also works with the Rocketbook app in an amazing new way. So before you wipe your notes off the page, you can instantly blast them online to your favorite cloud surfaces, perfectly organized and named the way you want. On the top of each Orbit page is a title bar, which the app sees and translates your handwriting into the file name. And on the bottom of each page are 7 symbols, which you can configure in the Rocketbook app. You can assign each symbol to a location within Google Drive, Dropbox, Evernote, or many more services. So you can name your algebra notes and send it right to your math folder on Google Drive. Or name your meeting notes and blast them right to your shared team folder on Dropbox. Launch your next big idea with a blank sheet. With the Orbit, you can flip the page to the digital age. The utility of the cloud and the joy of pen and paper. That's Rocketbook.